Hi everyone, how's everybody doing today? Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this mini bike, and I also want to welcome you back to Chris's Hobby Garage Shop for another video. Let's get started. First, I made this frame out of fence posts that the green coated fencing, and I had two 10-foot pieces, cut them all up, and as you can see, it came out not bad. I used also some scrap metal to cover up some of the welds on the inside. Also, I used corrugated conduit plastic to cover up the cables, wires, make it look a little bit cosmetically nice. Also, if you look, the motor is a Princess Auto PowerFist 79cc engine, which is about 3 horsepower. It's pretty good. Also down here, I made these foot pedals, and I used bike grips, handle bike grips to make this. And the cap, I put a hockey puck on it, right over here. And the way I did that was I took a blue hockey puck, the original cap, cut it all out to fit, and I used the PL300 construction adhesive. So it came out not bad. It was pretty good. Also, I added an extra tailpipe. I have the muffler already here, but I extended a tailpipe, another, what, 1.5 feet with another muffler, just a cosmetic. Over here, the seating is a leather seat, and I had my dad actually help me make it. It's stitched up from my dad, because he used to be a tailor, and he would probably do a way better job than I would. So going around right here, this part here is a corrugated plastic piping that I just used to, I don't know what it was, from a pump or something like that. So I cut it up, tie wrapped it, and used it as a decor for the backrest. Also right here, this metal piece right here is from a wheel bike. I took out the spokes, cut them all up, and just bent it, welded it, and clamped it with these, whatever you call them, screw clamps. Then I added a light from a dollar store. And right here, the fenders are made out of plastic. I used a bucket, just one of those pail buckets, cut them, used a heat gun to shape it, and just screwed it onto this, once again, the fence post pipe. And it came out not bad. Over here, I have a centrifugal clutch protector for it. And also right here, the chain tensioner. I made it out of 2 little plastic wheels and a bearing, and it came out not bad. Now the welds aren't the best. As you can see, I'm using a flux wire core 0.030. So I do the best I can. Over here, I have a pillow block, 5/8 bore, because the wheel, I wanted it right over here, but it wasn't going to fit well, so I had to extend it back here. It turned out okay. I mean, it works fine. So it wasn't a bad idea. Another thing I want to show you is, if you notice down here, I put an extra piece of metal as a support. Even though they're welded right here in the corner, I bolted it and welded it for extra support. you never know. I just figured, okay, I'll just give it an extra support. Just show you a little bit more. This part here, I just put a piece of steel, welded it, so just for extra support for this V-shaped frame that I did. Down here, if you could see it carefully, I put an extra metal piece for extra support. Even though these are welded, but I put extra support. Sorry about that. Right here, again, the same plastic fender, shaped it, 13-inch air-filled tires. And moving along up here, I installed some mirrors. This is a kill switch, a speedometer. Again, the corrugated wire covers. The mirrors there, pretty good. And a dollar store headlight. Where's the button here? So it didn't turn out bad at all. It took me about a week to do it. And if you're really looking for to make a mini bike on a budget, I'll give you a little rundown, roughly. I can't remember offhand, but what this costed me. So the engine was around, with my coupon I had, $70 from Princess Auto. It was a few years back. The frame, I think I got it for like $15, those two pieces. The seating, I already had the foam, I already had the material, and the power switch, the on-off, the kill switch, another $10. The caliper brake, about $20. So altogether, the wheels I already had. So altogether, I'm looking at about, at the most, $150, something like that. So it not bad. Another thing I forgot to mention is the kickstand. I just noticed it right now. I just got it out of a regular bike, cut it down to size to suit the mini bike, and that's all she wrote. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take it out for a spin, and we'll check it out how it runs, and you'd be amazed. It's not bad actually. So what we're gonna do right now is take it out for a run. Hope you enjoyed my little description on how I made it, and let's take it out. Hi everybody, and we're back in my garage. So the reason we didn't go too fast is I had to hold the camera phone with my left hand, and throttle was here, brakes are here, so it's very difficult to, go fast with one hand doing and the other one doing the other thing. But it's really a nice bike. If you're on a budget, hey, for about 150 bucks, that's what it took for me to build it. And I hope you enjoyed what you saw. Let me know, any comments, anything like that. We'll take it for another run someday down the road. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Chris's Hobby Garage Shop. And we'll see you soon.